Hi music family, Miss Neidringhaus here. Today we are going to be doing musical Simon Says. Now to play musical Simon Says, we are going to need a musical staff. Remember, the musical staff has 5 lines and 4 spaces. If you take a look behind me, I have drawn out a large musical staff. I want you to go ahead and pause the video. I want you to find your chalk and an adult to go outside and draw your own musical staff. Don't forget, for your musical staff, you need 5 lines and 4 spaces. On my musical staff, I drew a treble clef. If you're not sure how to draw a treble clef, I'll have a short little video at the very end to teach you how to draw one, but you don't need to worry about it right now. All right, so we know that the musical staff has 5 lines and 4 spaces, but we also learned that those lines and spaces have different letter names. So let's talk about those letter names real quick. The bottom line is E. The next line, G. The next line, B, D, and F. E, G, B, D, F. Every good boy does fine. You need to remember those letters. Now let's talk about the spaces. The bottom space is F. The next space up is A. After that we have C, and then the top space is E. So the spaces spell out face. Excellent. Now because this is your Simon Says game chart, it's okay if you draw a cheat chart on the side of your musical staff. So now we're going to start our game of Simon Says. Simon is going to call out the different letter names and I'm going to try to follow along. Are you ready? Remember to always start at the bottom of your musical staff.
Simon says G. Simon says bottom line E. Simon says C. Simon says G. Simon says top space E. Simon says B and G.
If you don't have chalk, or if it's raining outside, you can still play musical Simon Says. All you need is a piece of paper and something to write with. This is the paper I have at my house. I drew my musical staff with my 5 lines and 4 spaces, and I also drew my cheat chart on the side with the musical alphabet. So Simon could say, put your pointer finger on line B, put your pointer finger on space E, put your pinky finger on the bottom line E, put your thumb on space A. You can still play musical Simon Says. You just have to be creative with it. All right, musical family. So today was all about Simon Says with our musical staff. Remember, make sure that you ask a family member to go outside with you so you're not outside by yourself. Stay safe and stay healthy. So, this is how you draw the treble clef. First, you have to have your musical staff with your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines and your 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. Now, I'm going to take my chalk and I'm just going to draw a vertical line going a little past the top line and a little past the bottom line. Once I'm at the bottom, I'm going to draw a circle to the left of the line, but still at the bottom. Next, I'm going to start at the very top and I'm going to draw a half circle that's going to reach to the second to top line. So I'll start here and I will end here. My half circle has to go on the right side of that line. Next, I'm still going to start here at that second line from the top and draw another half circle and stop at my bottom line. But I need to draw the half circle on the left side. So I'll start here, and I'm going to draw a half circle that goes all the way down to the bottom line. Next, start at the bottom line, and I'm going to draw another half circle to the middle line, except this time I'm going to go on the right side again. Last part, I start on that middle line and I end on that second to bottom line. And that's how you draw a treble clef.